Hello everyone, my name is Richard from China GSS filling machine Suzhou factory. Today I'm going to show you our latest model called GAF1500S. Here, in front of you is our latest model, and we are very proud of this machine because its filling accuracy could be down to 0.05% FS. Against this figure, our rivals only are able to reach 0.5% FS. What's more, as you can see, the machine is actually designed for 200-liter drums and IBC ton drums. Its filling capacity is probably 40 to 60 drums per hour for 200 liters and 8 to 10 drums for IBC ton drums. The surface and the metal framework have all been made of stainless 304, and this part of material could be customized for our customers. If you try to tackle some dangerous materials such as flammable solvents, resin, essence, or acid or alkaline, we can actually solve all these problems very easily because this machine is designed for this one. What's more, as you can see, here is an explosion-proof box. Inside it, there are a lot of well-known brand names of components, such as Siemens of PLC and Manuel of power module, together with a switch from France of a brand called Schneider. That is why we can ensure the accuracy and long-term use. As soon as you finish filling drums, you can actually get your material drums away by using a lift truck from this way. And you can see that the nozzle is very giant-like, Actually, it's rotatable. By rotating it, you can get a very perfect angle to fill in drums. That is why we are very proud of this machine. And the whole machine is actually semi-automatic. That is why it's not only very reliable, but also economical. And that is the end of the introduction for today. Thank you.